Hello, everyone. This is the Leak Master from Leaky Faucets. Leak 1 signing in.
Leak 2 is here and signing in. We have a loot box. Don't know which one it is because it doesn't have a label. It's just in a black box this time. Let's open it up and see.
Well, when you're going bankrupt, you need to find ways to make it cheaper.
Cut corners. Okay.
Okay.
Here's your card.
Thank you. You want this chair?
No, it's fine. I'll just start throwing stuff on the floor. Okay, so we're going to start off with the shirt.
Whoa. We got a Loot Crate Original Spider-Man tank top. Activate your spider sense in this tank. Celebrating Peter Parker's humble journey from Queen's teen to superhero.
Ooh. Ooh.
Queen's teen.
I don't
What
even
is
know.
that
I don't
supposed to
even
mean?
know what that means.
Cool tank top.
Okay, now we're gonna do this this thing. The robotic tech thing. Right there. The see-through thing.
Robotic LED lamp. Guide your way across the galaxy with this futuristic lamp.
Oh jeez.
A loot anime item modeled after a robot and Robotech.
Oh, look at that. I think that's how it goes in.
Yeah, something like that. You gotta take out little thingies.
Oh, well, this is kind of what it would look like. Not lit up, obviously.
Yeah, that's the right way. Robotech. We're here for your safety, ma'am.
We're gonna do this,
Oh, Princess
cards.
Bride cards. I shouldn't have to say much about that. I mean...
No. Just a deck of cards. Let's see if there's anything on the cards.
Doesn't. There is. I see pictures of it. It's actually kind of cool.
Oh, it's all sticky.
What? You got another one?
Shush, we're not there yet.
I'll give you $5 for the horn.
So they have some neat little pictures on them. I like Princess Bride, so...
Who doesn't?
Who
If
doesn't
you didn't
like
see that movie, you need to, by the way.
It is a good movie. They're going to look at this.
Loot Crate exclusive diving helmet pen. It's a Loot Crate exclusive. I thought it was BioShock or something. But
That's what I kind of thought it was. What's this thing that's rolled up?
that is the Grand Tour poster. NASA's Voyager mission took a grand tour of the cosmos thanks to a once every 175-year planetary alignment.
Okay, so it's kind of cheesy. Very cheesy, right? Right? Am I the only one who thinks it's cheesy?
Yeah, I mean, well, it's a NASA poster. It makes no sense. What, do we have fucking spaceships up there?
Okay, so this I'm really kind of angry about. We just got one of these.
I'm not, because maybe I can have it.
We just had one of these a couple months ago. Like, all the loot boxes are late. You would at least think that they could come up with something better and not send out the same thing. And
It comes with a necklace.
that's
for the
fantastic. I'm still mad about it. So, Leak 1 can make it sound like it's so nice, but it really pisses me off. Okay,
Hey.
so...
You swear.
That is not a swear. Alright, so that will conclude our unboxing. What a disappointment. For whatever month this is, because they're so far behind. This is Leak 2, signing out.
Do you just want to make a complaint video? Leak 1 signing out.